Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
www.billboard.com/artist/News 47. Billboard is an American music and entertainment magazine published weekly by the Billboard Hollywood Reporter Media Group, a division of MRC Media Info. The magazine provides music charts, news, video, opinion, reviews, events, and style related to the music industry. Check them out for yourself. The link will below this video. This is old news, but this is what Dem has to say over there. Captain Barkey, a veteran Jamaican dancehall artist, best known for the mid-90s #1 dancehall hits Go Go Wine and Bun Fee Bun, Captain Barkey, was fatally shot in front of a Bronx motel in the early morning hours on Saturday, October 13, 2012. As he sat in a car with a female companion named Tracy Bennett. The New York Police Department says the alleged gunman, who remains at large, is Joseph Kernigan. He is 42 years of age. Do you know this? Joseph Kernigan is the father of 2 of Bennett's 3 children. Bennett, who was also murdered, had reportedly taken out a restraining order against Joseph, who had on more than one occasion warned Captain Barkey to end his relationship with Bennett. Law enforcement source said Joseph Kernigan killed himself in Miami as police tried to get into his building to arrest him for allegedly killing 50-year-old Wayne Hamilton, known as his stage name Captain Barkey, and 38-year-old Bennett outside the Holiday Motel in Eastchester. GC, Mixmaster on YouTube. Captain Barkey, Best of 90s Hits. Remembering Captain Barkey, mixed by GC. Tribute mixtape of dancehall veteran artist Captain Barkey featuring his hits from the 90s. Public comments. Darroyal General says, John O. Barkey, you were always a jovial person. Sorry about your tragic passing. Andre Ashbourne says, Faceboy Retreat was the hit back in the day. I didn't know it was Captain Barkey. Nivadrem says, R.I.P., brother, did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.